friends, today I'm sharing this very simple roasted vegetable side dish that is also very easily adaptable for a main dish with very simple pantry ingredients and a simple marinade to go with it. A very straightforward recipe with everything going into the oven. For this recipe, all my mise en place is ready: sweet potatoes, broccoli, onions, peppers, medley of tomatoes. I got some spices here and herbs, garlic, olive oil, balsamic, some red pepper flakes. So first we'll make a simple marinade or dressing to go with these vegetables. Some of this garlic, just a little bit. Dry thyme, oregano, cumin, paprika, red pepper flakes, a touch of salt, black pepper. All the ingredients, by the way, for this recipe will be in the description box. Olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, toast everything together. This will be so good. Now grab the sweet potatoes. These are about 4 medium-sized sweet potatoes. You can use the white ones or whatever is available to you. Potatoes will work too for this. Just toast them. This dressing. So this will go into the oven first because they take slightly longer to cook. Set them aside, create some room. Then bring a sheet pan lined with a parchment paper. And this sweet potatoes goes on. Our oven is set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's already preheated. So we're going to start this. Just lay them flat in one layer. Goes into the oven. Into the same bowl, broccoli. This is about a small head of broccoli, or you can buy them pre-cut. Red onions. Peppers, same thing, some of this dressing, just always add some more if need be. Get another sheet pan. Then all this goes right on top. This will take about 10 minutes or so. The sweet potatoes between 15 and 20 minutes. So I'm going to leave some room here. Tomatoes. Toast them. You can cut them in half or just leave them. They're just going to blister and make a very good taste. This goes into the oven at the bottom rack. Do some cleanup while everything bakes. Starting to soften, just toast them. Now season them with some more salt here, some more black pepper. And at this point we can add some of our garlic. We didn't want to add the garlic initially because we don't want to burn it. Nobody wants burnt garlic. This goes back another 5 minutes until they are fully softened. Also grab the rest of the vegetables here, the broccoli, the peppers, the onions and the tomatoes. You can notice the broccoli are already charred. We want that is taste. So now this is all done. Just give them a good amount of salt because we didn't salt them initially. Black pepper. And we can toast this with the rest of our marinade or the dressing. This adds a good amount of flavor. Sprinkle this with the rest of the garlic. Back into the oven for about 2 minutes just to soften the garlic, release the flavors, because these vegetables are just basically done. Now out comes the broccoli, the tomatoes, onions and peppers. Now all these goes into this bowl. We just want to toast everything together. The tomatoes will break into the vegetables. Smells so good here. So the secret to baking with the parchment paper, all you do is just wrap it and you don't have a lot of clean work to do. Sweet potatoes, all done. Same thing, into the bowl. Look at that, our sheet pan is still clean. Now give everything a toast here. Just set this for a second aside. Get some parsley. Now toast this parsley. And there you have it. Very simple, easy to make. Give this a taste. Serve this in a tray. Perfect side dish. Some of this parsley. Give these vegetables a taste. They look so good. Some of the sweet potatoes, the onions, broccoli, tomatoes that are blistered. This is so good. A simple vegetable dish that you can make on any day of the week. It makes a delicious side dish for your dinners, especially if you're entertaining or just for you. serve it with rice just to complement it if you want to, but you actually don't need. It's just such a complete dish all by itself. The vegetables, the roasting caramelizes the vegetables. You can see the sweet potatoes have burnt edges. The sugars have caramelized. The broccoli, you got the slight char, especially with the high temperatures. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope this is a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Give me a comment down below what you think about this simple recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one.